Hello guys, here I will show you how to make a Windows 11 boot drive and bypass TPM. First of all, you need to download Rufus 3.20p. You open that. After that, you get the Windows 11 image. You click select, open the image. You select your USB stick or USB drive. You select the standard Windows installation, and after that you click start. Here you will find some stuff, some improvements to Windows. First of all, you will select remove requirement for RAM, secure boot and TPM. Data collection, if you want to remove that, skip the privacy and stuff. You can set a local account using the same name after that, but first of all we're interested in on the first two options, the TPM bypass and data collection. We click OK. After that we will prompted with a warning that our drive will be formatted, and we click OK. You're sure? OK, we click OK. And now it will start copying the data for our Windows 11. It will take a while. And after this screen is finished, you can pop up your drive or leave it there and restart your system, and you start booting Windows and start the installation. Hope this helped you a lot, and see you in the next video.